Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset your Citizen Bank password or user ID. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Citizen's mobile application. Now all you need to do is click on the forgot your user ID or password right below the login button, and you're going to be taken to this window right over here. Now, once you're on this page, all you need to do is select if you forgot your user ID, your password, or you forgot both. Just simply go ahead and choose any one of those and click on next. And it's going to ask you what kind of account it is. Simply go ahead and enter what kind of account it is, and then simply go ahead and enter your social security or tax ID number, your date of birth, and they're going to send you a verification code on your registered mobile number. And then they'll ask you for a verification code. Once you enter the verification code, you're going to get your user ID, or you're going to get the ability to go ahead and change your password. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.